What's up? So today I'm trying to fly a drone that I just got recently. So I have all my stuff in there, and I'm gonna go see if I can fly it without crashing it like I did the other one and not losing it. And I have to also take this guy with me. What's up? What's up, doggy? And hopefully he doesn't cause me too much of a problem. So we'll see how it goes. First we're gonna go get coffee though, huh? Yeah, we are. Say what up. The line to get a vaccine goes all the way from there to there, all the way to the parking lot where you can get that. It makes getting to and from my place hell. Waffles. The last thing I'm going to do before I go fly is buy another one of these because I accidentally left it charged or connected to the goggles, and now it's completely depleted. It doesn't work. I tried charging it with like special settings. Nope, it's dead, so I need to pick up a new one. So I just got a new one thanks to that place, Hobby, whatever the F. And yeah, so here we go. Let's see if we can fly it. Made it, and my goal is to fly between those trees and stuff and figure out somewhere to put this dog. This pool looks like a perfect place. And down it goes. We're good to go. Hopefully I don't crash in there. It looks like it's gonna be a good time. Battery, and not too bad. Crashed a few times, but my god, this dog doesn't shut up. Just walking around over there to see, I don't even know what the hell it's called, but it's like a church. It's pretty cool. So that's basically where I lost my last drone. And calling it a day.